Hey guys, I'm Carlos. I also go by Drago Codes. Today in this video, I'm just going to show you guys how I use Stitch to create new pages. For example, I have this mobile app that I'm working on. You guys can check that out on my live stream. I've been going live like 2 to 3 times a week, and I'll continue to build out this app. But I really wanted to show you guys how I set up Stitch to get this working and how it speeds up my work. So I'll go into my browser real quick here, and you'll see that there's a setup and authentication. We'll have this Stitch MCP, and what you're going to do is create this cursor folder. You probably have already some. If not, then go ahead and create this cursor folder, and then you'll create this mcp.json file. You'll copy over this code here, and then we'll go back into our IDE and paste it here. Obviously, I have my API key. I recommend not using it because it will be deleted after this video. But what I really like about it is that you just go in here, you grab your API key. Mine's here, just created a few moments ago. You can go ahead and copy the key if you've already had one, and then we'll go back. And so we have this page here that I want to recreate. And so I'll pretty much prompt Stitch to create the whole portal for me or the whole application that I'm trying to build. And then after I get something that I really like, after iterating a couple times and changing the design system, I'll go ahead and grab the page's name, and then I'll go back into my IDE and say something like using the MCP server from Stitch, please copy this page from the design. And then create the code in insights.tsx. Don't worry about creating the navigation bar. I've already spent some time on the navigation bar, so I really just wanted to pick up the main items on that page. So we'll go ahead and let the AI work here, and you'll see it's picking up most of it right away. It's getting the Stitch, it's connecting with Stitch to grab that page, and then it starts implementing some of that work here. So we should see a lot of change here in just a second. And what I really like about this is that it gets you so close. And because Stitch is not like any other AI where it's just going to give you like the cookie cutter design, it's going to get you some really close to the design that you've already built. So with the MCP server, you'll see this is like almost line by line perfect of what I have in the design. You know, we have a small tweaks up here and maybe in the title there, but you'll see it's super close. And then let me show you what the design looks like and we can compare. So this is what the design looks like, and you can see instantly, even the design has a little piece there. We might want to change that. I have to iterate this design, but you'll see that it copies almost everything perfectly. And so a lot of the times I'll use Stitch to go over a design, go over it a couple times, and then I use the MCP from there to go ahead and bring it over. But you can see it's very close, very good. It might take some tweaks by yourselves, but it's the best way I found how to use Stitch with cursor, and it makes my workflow 10 times faster. So that's pretty much it. That's all I want to show you guys. If you like the video, go ahead and leave a like and a comment. Tell me what else you guys want to see. And like I said, I'll be working on this app on my live stream here on YouTube and at Twitch. For Twitch, it'll be Drago Codes, and obviously my YouTube will be this one. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.